Welcome to Anji Maths channel. Today I have taken one 4 marks question from the statistics which is important under the academic standard visualization. That is, the question is drawing a LCF curve for the organized data. Here I have taken a data of 50 workers which are working in a factory. Their daily wages are 250 to 300 secured by 12 workers, 300 to 350 14 workers, 350 to 400 8 workers, and so on. For this data we have to draw LCF curve. You know how to draw a LCF curve? To draw LCF curve we need upper boundaries and corresponding less than cumulative frequencies. Here you are given with only frequencies and class intervals. So we have to draw two more columns to get the upper boundaries and corresponding less than cumulative frequencies. Let us do first that one. Upper boundaries. These were taken on x-axis. Less than cumulative frequencies. These were taken on y-axis, and these two values are taken as ordered pair xy, and these ordered pairs are plotted as points on the graph. After plotting on the graph, we will join with a smooth curve so that we will get the Vossiv curve, that is LCF curve. Let us see what are the upper boundaries first. See, in class intervals you are given with limits. How to convert the limits into boundaries? To find the upper boundary, you have to find the average of upper limit of a class with the lower limit of the next class. See, you have to take average of these two. As these two values are equal, the average will be equal to that value only, because 300 plus 300 by 2 means 300 only. So, these are the exclusive classes. For the exclusive classes, there is no change in the limits and boundaries. So these are the upper limits and upper boundaries also. Let us write all these as upper boundaries: 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. Next, less than cumulative frequencies. From these frequencies, you have to write less than cumulative frequencies. What are less than cumulative frequencies? The sum of the frequencies less than this upper boundary value is called less than cumulative frequency of that class. See, how many frequencies are falling less than 300? Only 12. Less than 350 means you have to take sum of these two, that is 12 plus 14. 12 plus 14 makes 26. Less than 400, that is 12 plus 14 plus 8. 34. Next, sum of the frequencies less than 450 means 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 become 40. Next, sum of the frequencies below 500 means 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 becomes 50. Now let us write boundaries and corresponding less than cumulative frequencies as ordered pair: 300, 12, 350, 26, 400, 34, 450, 40, 500, 50. We got the points. Now next one, we have to plot all these points on the graph by taking suitable scale on the coordinate axis. Let us see how do we plot those points on the graph. On x-axis, take upper boundaries. On y-axis, take less than cumulative frequencies with suitable scale and plot all the points and join with a smooth curve. You will get S-shaped smooth curve which is called as less than cumulative frequency curve or Ogive curve.